Hello again, it's Catherine White, First Aid. Welcome to another Trainer Tuesday. Today we're talking about burns dressings. So you've got a couple of options. You might wish to purchase yourself a specialist burn dressing like this one. This is Burn Shield, but there are others available. This is a hydrogel burns dressing, and all that means is it keeps the burn cool and wet. And then you'd keep it in place with another dressing over the top. But of course, they come in a fixed size, so you'd need maybe multiple sizes, depending on the size of the burn that you were treating. The other option is just regular kitchen cling film. So if you took a strip of the cling film off, the inside would be sterile, and then if you placed it over the burn and then just tack it to itself, don't pull it tight, because if the swelling continued, then it would be too tight. So just lay it over, tack it to itself, and that will keep the burn clean while you're getting extra help, perhaps at a minor injuries unit. So hope that helps. See you next time.